This is my 97 Banshee. Got FMF pipes on it. It's a pretty nice bike. Got polished side cases, hemi head, welded and trued crank, moto fast intake with lecton carb. It's got brand new wheels, skid plates. I'll fire it up for you here. It's not real loud. It's got the old style FMF. I mean, it always starts this good. Right now it's 16 degrees outside, and it started on the second kick when I pulled it out of the barn. It's just these lecton carbs work really good. They seem to start good, and there's really no adjustment. As you can see, it's got the big 2-into-1 intake, and it's a 36 millimeter lecton. It seems to run really good with it. Makes a lot of bottom end torque. Makes them a real good trail bike with those, and the hemi head really made a big difference too. But check back in, I'll get some more videos of it on the trail.